Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an issue on your iPhone where incoming calls and notifications suddenly become very quiet, even when your volume is turned all the way up. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, look for the Ringtone and Alerts volume slider and make sure it's set to a level you're comfortable with. If you want louder calls and notifications, simply drag the slider to the right. Also, make sure your iPhone isn't in silent mode, because that can prevent your ringtone from playing normally. Once you've checked that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. Now scroll down until you find Attention-Aware Features. Tap the toggle to turn this feature off. This setting uses the front camera to detect when you're looking at your iPhone. If it thinks you're paying attention, it automatically lowers the volume of some alerts and incoming calls. While this feature can be helpful, it sometimes reduces the ringtone volume even when you don't want it to. Turning it off ensures that your iPhone always rings at the volume level you've chosen. And that's it. Now, your incoming calls and notifications should stay loud and consistent. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.